This video will guide you through opening the fuel cover on a Honda Accord VII, 2002 to 2008. This model utilizes a simple, reliable lever-based system. Knowing this process is essential for routine refueling. We'll cover everything you need to know in under a minute. The fuel door release lever is located inside the cabin, on the floor near the driver's seat, typically below the instrument panel. Look for a small, easily accessible lever. Its exact position might vary slightly depending on the trim level, but it's always within easy reach. To open the fuel door, firmly pull the release lever. You should hear a click indicating that the fuel door latch has disengaged. If you don't hear a click, ensure the lever is pulled completely. The door should spring open slightly. If the fuel door doesn't spring open after pulling the lever, you may need to open it manually. Gently push the door outward from the outside edge. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. In rare cases, higher trims may have a keyhole for manual unlocking if the cable fails. After refueling, securely replace the fuel cap by tightening it clockwise until you hear a clicking sound. This ensures a proper seal to prevent fuel vapor leaks. A loose fuel cap can trigger the check engine light in some vehicles. If you encounter issues with the fuel door, here are some common problems and solutions. If the fuel door doesn't open, the release cable may be frayed or broken. This is common after high mileage. If the door sticks or feels stiff, especially in cold weather, lubricating the hinges annually can prevent this. For additional troubleshooting tips, check online forums like Honda Tech, where owners share experiences and solutions. When working with your vehicle's fuel system, safety is paramount. Always turn off the engine before refueling to prevent accidents. Never smoke or use open flames near the fuel tank, as this creates a serious fire hazard. After refueling, ensure the fuel cap is securely tightened to prevent vapor leaks and potential emissions issues. Regular maintenance of your fuel system will ensure its longevity and safe operation.